Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Eureka NES210 Blaze 3-in-1 Swivel Lightweight Stick Vacuum Cleaner Dark Black. 3-in-1 design with onboard crevice tool allows you to customize your vacuum for your needs. At only £4, you can take the Eureka Blaze anywhere. Eureka's signature swivel steering improves maneuverability and cleaning efficiency when compared to standard stick vacuums. Eureka's capture nozzle picks up larger debris with ease, unlike other stick vacuums that push larger particles around. Perfect for hard floors, area rugs, and low-pile carpets. Powerful 2-amp motor picks up particles like dust and pollen, while the washable filtration system captures the debris and improves air quality. 18 power cord and X-large dust cup ensure you get the job done faster. No more outlet hopping or frequent trips to the trash can with the Eureka Blaze. 9. 44 inches cleaning. Much safer and more environmentally safe package. Past frustration-free packaging, FFP certification. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys, take care of you, bye bye.